quickly restore your headlights. Now, first of all, what you need is some 2000 grit sandpaper. I'm going to be using a little sanding machine just to make the job a little bit quicker. But yeah, let's get to it. Right, as you can see, I've now sanded over the light evenly, gives it a nice even sheen. Basically what you're doing with the 2000 grit sandpaper is just removing the top layer of rubbish that's causing it to be all cloudy. What I'm going to do now is grab my dual action polisher and some heavy cut polish and go over it with that, and then hopefully they should be good as new. And here we go, here's the finished product. Now ideally, because these ones were quite bad, they probably could do with another couple of passes or so. However, I'm pretty satisfied with that. As you can see, there's the one which I've just done, and if we go over to the other one, there's the one we haven't done. As you can see, look at the difference. So there we go, how to quickly restore your headlights.